This is supposed to be peach cobbler egg roll. So I figured I need to try it by myself.
What?
So I don't have to have a whole bunch of Sharon asking me my stuff. Little feeling just coming out all that.
Can I get some?
I was looking and I'm gonna let you guess how much I paid for my toast.
Yeah. Thank you.
One in 10, I'll give it a good 8.5 to 9. And that's only because instead of, I saw what they were doing as far as offering the whipped cream to add some creamy texture, creamy taste to it. Good idea, but it would have been better if you gave people the option to choose between the whipped cream and vanilla ice cream. Imagine those hot with vanilla ice cream. Then you could sprinkle your little caramel now. Ugh. Yeah, so that's what I rated.